2025 Land Rover Discovery. Starting at $61.825. Highs. Impressive off-road abilities, smooth and comfortable ride, luxurious cabin. Lows. Limited agility when cornering, child-sized third-row seats, small cargo capacity behind the third row. Verdict. The aptly named Discovery is one of the few luxury SUVs that can transport up to 7 passengers over treacherous terrain. Overview. The 2025 Land Rover Discovery finds its Venn diagram overlap somewhere between a Ford Bronco and the posh Range Rover. It's much more comfortable and luxurious than the Bronco, yet more rugged and affordable than the Range Rover, making it an intriguing choice for adventure-minded families that also desire a refined daily commuter. Outside of Land Rover's lineup, there's nothing from the established European luxury brands that offers such versatility. That leaves the Lexus GX and Jeep Grand Cherokee L as likely alternatives, with the Jeep gaining an advantage for its more accommodating third-row seats. Even though both of its competitors are newer, the Discovery is more capable off-road and more luxurious inside. What's new for 2025? Many of the Discovery's previous standalone options are only available as part of the comfort, technology, and cold climate packages. Fog lamps are now standard on all models and curated options for dog owners and adventure cyclists debut. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Land Rover Discovery starts at $61.825 and goes up to $81.425 depending on the trim and options. P300S. $61,825. P300 Dynamic SE. $65,825. P360 Dynamic SE. $71,625. P360 Metropolitan Edition. $81,425. The mid-range dynamic models offer the best value in the Discovery lineup, as they add LED tail lights, aluminum interior trim, and uniquely styled front and rear bumpers. The P300 comes standard with the Turbo 4 engine, but if you want the more powerful inline 6-cylinder engine, opt for the P360 instead. Engine, transmission, and performance. All Discovery models come with full-time all-wheel drive as standard, but buyers can choose between a 296 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder and a 355 HP turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6, the latter of which employs a 48-volt hybrid system. We haven't had a chance to test drive the Disco with the base Turbo 4, but with the inline 6, the big Land Rover feels sprightly around town and delivers adequate power for highway merging and passing. The Land Rover's adventure-ready mission caters to those seeking an SUV for much more than just trolling the parking lot at the mall, but it comes at the expense of on-road dexterity. The Discovery's handling isn't as ponderous as one might expect, but it still feels clumsy and top-heavy when changing direction. The Disco never lets you forget that you're piloting a large SUV. Overall ride quality is quite good, and even harsh bumps are dealt with easily. Steering feel, however, is non-existent, especially on center, where a large dead spot creates a need for frequent steering corrections when cruising on the highway. If towing a heavy load is on the docket, the Disco is rated to tow up to 8,200 pounds. 0-60 mph times. At our test track, the 6-cylinder Discovery made it to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. We haven't tested the 4-cylinder model, but Land Rover estimates it will hit 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA estimates that the turbocharged 4-cylinder model will deliver 19 mpg city and 24 mpg highway, while the hybridized 6-cylinder powertrain is rated for 17 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test, our 6-cylinder test vehicle managed only 22 mpg. For more information about the Discovery's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Discovery's interior materials are upscale, and the design is appropriately posh. Luxury features abound throughout the cabin, and the level of comfort only increases as you climb through the more expensive trims. Power adjustable, heated leather seats with optional massage function for the driver and front seat passenger offer good support and even better cushioning. Second row seats provide fore and aft and recline adjustments. Without adequate space to haul gear, there would be fewer opportunities for adventure. With both of its rear rows of seats folded, the Disco's spacious cabin proved to be quite accommodating with room for 29 of our carry-on suitcases. But if you flip the last row of seats up and load the Discovery with the full complement of 7 would-be explorers, the maximum number of carry-ons it can carry drops to just 2 behind the third row. Infotainment and connectivity. All Discovery models come standard with Land Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment system. It features an 11.4-inch touchscreen display and available advanced features such as an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot powered by a 4G LTE data connection and real-time traffic and weather updates. It features a simple menu layout and is capable of over-the-air updates. As many as 9 USB ports dot the cabin, and novel tablet holding accessories can be used to set up rear seat entertainment for kids. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability is standard, as is a wireless smartphone charging pad, a 12.3-inch digital gauge display, and a full-color head-up display. Safety and driver assistance features. All of the typical driver assistance features come standard, with a head-up display as one of the few options. Land Rover also offers a novel 360-degree exterior camera system that also provides a view of what is directly under the front end of the Discovery, the area blocked from view by the hood, which is intended to improve safety when driving off-road. For more information about the Discovery's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard adaptive cruise control, standard lane keeping assist, warranty and maintenance coverage. Land Rover offers a wholly average warranty package, with most coverages good for 4 years or 50,000 miles. While the Discovery does not offer complimentary scheduled maintenance, Land Rover does offer discounted maintenance packages that can be purchased through the dealer that will cover the Discovery for up to 4 years. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.